I've become really close with this guy called Albert. He's an absolute legend in the Academy, and I thought he deserved his own mini documentary. He came from Poland with absolutely nothing and couldn't really even speak the language, working in a coffee shop, to now doing multiple property deals, making it in excess of £100,000 profit just on one deal alone. So stick around, hit the like button, and enjoy the documentary.
Hi, my name is Samuel Leeds. I'm one of the Samuel Leeds Academy members, and today I will be showing you around my 4-bedroom semi-detached house on top of the hill, just outskirts of Dover, south of Kent. I'm originally from Poland. I've been born on the seaside. I grew up in capital in Warsaw. When I was 18, I came to UK to earn money, but also that was the point where I didn't quite know what I want to do in my life. So I came to UK. I've been learning English in school in Poland, but after I came here, I realized I don't know English at all. I will show you around now my 4-bedroom property, which I just finished renovating. Let's get inside. Stepping into hallway, which leads to open plan living room. I kept the same layout of a modernizer, put new energy efficient lighting. Kept the fireplace, because I think lots of charm to the space. You can sit on the sofa, enjoy the sea view with nice crackling fire in there. I've done a few different jobs when I just came here. I started as a builder's labourer, where I was working around Polish people, and I realized it's like, if I want to stay in England, or actually if I want to travel anywhere else, I will need to know English. I'm gonna go work in a coffee shop because I will be forced to talk to the people. Then I found actually I've really enjoyed London, the lifestyle it has to offer, and I've realized I want to stay there for a little bit longer, and I started looking for a bit more proper job. And that's where I found the position as a training project manager in high-end refurbishment company in London. And through double doors, we go to dining area with big table that can easily host 8 people, which also leads to open plan kitchen. When I bought the property, there was a wall dividing the dining room and a kitchen, but I took the wall down. When I bought the property, it was really appalling state. It was all covered in mold. The ceiling was collapsed. There was actually leaking roof, which I had to fix. Also, I've changed old-fashioned sliding doors to noise, double French doors, which lead to the garden. I've extended extension space or social space with a little bit of decking. The garden was completely overgrown, had a couple of concrete steps, and it was overgrown to the size of the fence all around. So I've bought it. I underestimate the cost of removing everything. Overall, we removed nearly 19 tons of rubbish just to get the garden looking that way.
You know what he's doing? He's actually making the economy better in Great Britain, because that house was a wreck. No one could live there. No one could buy it. He couldn't get a mortgage on it. He's come in. He's worked his socks off in coffee shops, then as a labourer. But now he's working hard, but also working smart, making the country better and getting rich. I just love to see this. If you're enjoying the video, smash the like button, and also drop a nice comment for our guy Albert.
Also, the outside is very well joined to the other side of the house, which leads to the utility room. Infirmary, if we get all the costs together, purchase price 220 plus refurb 60 and some legal stamp duty, it will be just under 300. Let's call it 300. The end value is 410, which means I've made over £100,000 profit on this property. So after refinancing, after taking all my money out of the deal, it's just time to repeat it. So currently I'm looking for similar property that's going to be in similar state, that will require lots of work, because that's where I can utilize my strong side and go again. So utilizing the academy here, I make connections with deal sources, with potential investors. So not only to repeat the process or do it twice, or that will allow me to do bigger things to achieve even bigger profits. In this property, because our target audience is family get-togethers or little parties or families that are coming for holiday, we want to introduce in-house chef experience for them, We found a couple of companies we were thinking about partnering up, that are providing the chef coming to your house and doing live cooking while you're staying at the property. That's why having the utility room joined with the access from the outside and allowing other people to come into the kitchen, we thought will very benefit to the experience we were able to provide to our guests here. So we are at Croydon Inner Circle, which is just about to begin. People still coming in. It's absolutely honor and great pleasure for me to host it. It takes place every third Tuesday of the month from 7 till 9. Hi! Hello! Good evening, everyone. I'm Albert. I'm running the Inner Circle together with Aneta and George. Hello, everyone. Hello. I would like to start with 3 reasons why we should be here, why that's important evening, and why the Inner Circle are so powerful. So first of all is putting yourself in the right environment. I'm sure everyone here heard the phrase by John Ron that you are the average of 5 people you spend most time with. The second reason I personally think those Inner Circles are very powerful is to get the knowledge. And the third reason, which ties everything together, is building relations. Within the Academy, the number is growing very quickly. Last time I spoke to Patricia was 37 or 38 Inner Circles, which are small local groups to wherever people live, that allows Academy members to meet up once a month, and me being able to lead one of the Inner Circles, which is in South London in Croydon, it opens so many doors for me, so many connections that I've made with other Academy members. So if you want, come down and see us every third Tuesday of the month at Croydon Inner Circle. In terms of night rate for this property, I'm looking to achieve anywhere between £250 to £265. Which is slightly higher than the area, but this price allows me to attract the right clientele, the right people that I would like to accommodate here. Right, let me take you upstairs now. Well, we've got 4 double bedrooms. So that's the bedroom where I fitted, where I have the king-size bed. We also have got the best view from the bedroom. There is 2 bedrooms which having double beds. That's one of them. In this room, I kept the furniture to minimum, as there is wardrobe here. That had to have a little bit more furniture as there is not wardrobe. That's why we've got hanging right here. I fitted here 2 single beds and advertised it as a twin bedroom, because quite often when people come in here and staying with the families, there's 2 either children or teenagers which prefer single beds much more to the double beds that are fitted in the other bedrooms. We've probably even it out to, what, about 15 hours a week? Just to do with the service accommodation business?
Just to do with the service accommodation, anything between 15, 20 hours. Yeah.
So I'm running my service accommodation business with my partner, my beautiful wife, Kasia. She's the day-to-day running operational director of the site.
Is it like working together? Like, how was that relationship?
We've been working together for quite a time. Having your family with you and being able to spend time with your family is something at very high value for us. It doesn't mean we had to sit together on a sofa, but actually creating something, doing things together, and being able to spend time this way is just great. Started with 1 small 1-bedroom flat, and it grows to 5 at the moment. I'm just about, together with my wife, take 6 units, and even we're in the discussion with the 7th one, just to grow that, to have a bit better cash flow and bring more money home after every month. And that allows us to have the lifestyle and have the time to actually enjoy and do the BRR projects, which I'm really sort of excited and passionate about, especially about looking at the floor plans. Garage here at the moment. which also took quite a bit of refurbishment. I had to change the roof on it, I had to fit new door, which currently I'm using as an extra storage. However, looking to the future, I've got a plan to design and put the planning application to knock this garage down and extend the house with 2-story extension, matching what's there, just extending over there. That plan will also include building extension to the back of the house and then dividing the whole space into 2 or 3 separate houses. Thank you very much for having the tour with me. I would like to thank you, Samuel, for providing all the space, environment, knowledge, and sharing all that actually to make all that happen, and almost allows me to join your train on my journey as well. Creating the atmosphere, creating the environment that allows that growth is just truly amazing. It's no surprise that many people look at it as a scam because it doesn't sound believable, but actually having the people around me that are openly talking about the struggles, talking about the successes and how they overcome everything to be where they are is just really amazing, and I'm so glad to be part of it. Thank you very much, Samuel.